Good morning, everybody. Afternoon, evening, to another rendition of the 119 release team meeting. I'm Taylor Dolezal. This is a Kubernetes meeting, so we abide by the Kubernetes Code of Conduct, which simplifies down to please be excellent to one another. It's Wednesday, and hopefully it's off to a good start for everyone, or a good end for some of you as well. Let's get things shaken with enhancements with Navarun.
Hello, everyone. I hope you're having an awesome Wednesday. So enhancements is green. We are tracking 33 enhancements, out of which 8 are getting introduced as alpha, 15 are graduating to beta, and 10 are graduating to stable. Other than that, we have got one exception request that is currently under review. There is a slight change that is needed to be done in the KEP so that it satisfies the freeze requirements. Other than that, mostly I think the SIG also is in favor of accepting that, and we should be good to go after the KEP PR is merged.
Awesome. I did see that coming. I know we had that in discussion. Once that's, I'm going to keep my eyes on that and ear to the ground. But once that's okay, if you wouldn't mind giving me a heads up, then we can give it a formal thumbs up and then go forward from that.
Yep, sure.
Cool. Any questions for enhancements or Navarun? Awesome. CI signal. Thank you, Navarun. Moving over to CI signal with Dan.
Hey folks, we are still red, but made a lot of improvement. So you'll remember on Monday, we were talking about those KRTE images not getting pushed. So as soon as those were pushed, the kind jobs started running again on 1.19. Those are looking good. The node kubelet master failure on master blocking, it's still passing, it's just getting excessively flaky. And the node kind of CI team is now looking into that. They've been doing a great job of being responsive over there since kind of organizing that. So shout out to them. On IPv6 master parallel, we have an issue with endpoint slices. There are 2 PRs open for that, and they're kind of discussing on that right now. So we should probably see a fix for that today. So that should turn back green. On integration master, we are red. There's actually just 2 tests failing that started running because of a change in the test configuration. So basically we wanted to not skip some of the tests that were, actually, let me rephrase that. We wanted to skip tests in other places. So then we added them to the short list and then enable the short list, which inadvertently ran these 2 other tests, which are new, but now failing. So we haven't really regressed there, but we're going to skip those for now and then see if we can get those enabled later down the road. So we haven't dropped any test coverage there. Outside of that, the flaky tests are all, 1 or 2 in the last 10. So those are looking pretty good, and those could, very well be green by this afternoon. So looking good there. As far as the jobs that have been failing on master informing, the cluster API AWS job that we've been kind of dealing with for some time now, the PR was merged, but it introduced another bug, which is still causing them not to run. Outside of that, the Windows jobs are obviously still failing on the same tests, but the kubeadmin jobs are significantly less flaky after some work that's been done over there. And then 1.19 blocking, as you would imagine right now, is tracking pretty close with those. We did see a failure on conformance GCE this morning, so we're going to look a little bit more into that, but otherwise they should be fixed with the fixes to kind of IPv6 master and node kubelet as on master blocking. So we are red, but should be getting a little bit greener here as we recover from the code freeze.
Cool. Thank you so much, Dan. Any questions for CI signal or for Dan? I know that those, frosted flakes are probably the best thing in the morning, not test flakes. Awesome. Let's go to bug triage with Vlad.
Hey, happy Wednesday. We are yellow. We've sorted out most of the issues for 1.11. There are some abandoned ones with no activity apart from bug triage over the past couple weeks. So we are just cleaning those up, and that's pretty much it.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Vlad. Any questions for bug triage or for Vlad? Awesome. Let's go to docs with Anna.
Hey everyone, we are red. We still have 12 PRs that's open and needs attention. So one of them we actually need really help with. One owner has not been very responsive. So all the 12 PRs have been listed in the meeting notes. So if you want to take a look, but I did post like what was missing from us to for us to merge these. So one of them, we haven't really heard from the PR owner. So we need help with that. And we did reach out to all the SIG as well that needs to review, but any help with that would be also very helpful. And there was one exception that was discussed yesterday, and it's just, we have agreed that we're gonna let that PR be open and merged in a little bit late. Just something to mention, I guess. And I just wanted to go back to the enhancement exception request. I think that I was just looking at it, and it looks like that might also need a dog as well, which probably will fall into exception as well. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
Cool. Thank you so much, Anna. Any questions for docs or Anna? I know that I did see that the SIG docs folks were looking at kind of helping to track these down. You've got all of our help and support over the next 2 days and beyond, of course, with getting these tracked down. But I can definitely help nudge some of these groups and see if we can get a response from them sooner than later. I know that the deadline is tomorrow, end of day Pacific, so we have at least, you know, the 48-ish hours or so left. So we should be able to knock these out. I'm cautiously optimistic.
Thank you for all your help.
Absolutely. Awesome. Thank you very much. Let's move over to release notes with Adolfo.
Hi everyone, sorry, I was on another window. So our current status is green. Both PRs for the website and also for the draft were merged yesterday. And we are also starting giving out the work to contact all the SIGs to gather their insights for the final document. And I think that's it for us right now.
Awesome. Thank you very much. Any questions for release notes or Adolfo? We could table this. We could talk about it after, but I need to know where you got that bike. That's about the only question I've got for you today. Comms update with Max.
Yeah, so this is Kendall speaking on behalf of the comms side. So we're green, we're still on track. Everything looks pretty good. We're gonna review the current release blog and just make sure that we update all the major themes according to which keps made it into the release. So we're good on our side.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Kendall. Any questions for Kendall or for docs? Fantastic. Release branch management with Sascha.
Hey y'all, so we are green as well. We cut RC1 yesterday and we will cut RC2 next Tuesday. And from that point on, we will continue our breast fast forwards until RC2 has been cut.
Awesome. Thank you very much, Sascha. Any questions for release branch management or for Sascha? Fantastic. Did not see Tim on the line, so we can skip over him. Release lead update. Docs deadline is tomorrow, end of day Pacific. I think that's really the only big thing I have for you. I know that the community meeting is happening as well. I'm going to give an update with 119 progress and what's going on there. And then just letting people know, reiterating milestones, deadlines, and everything on that front. Otherwise, everything is looking good on all administrivia items. SIG scalability, their last update was on 7/13. Scalability jobs still look good as of then. And would love to move into open discussion if anybody has anything on that front. I need to get Jeopardy theme song music for the open discussion part, see if anybody has anything. Well, I'll put that in the retro. Awesome. Thank you so much, everybody. I hope you all have a fantastic Wednesday, and I will see you on Friday. Let me know if you need anything. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Bye, everyone.
Later.